Curtain of Secrets, the Manhattan Project, and Alien Disclosure. Secret History. The story begins in the mid-1940s, during the most critical phase of the Manhattan Project. According to official history, this was a U.S. effort to develop nuclear weapons. However, few people knew what was actually hidden behind the scenes. The Manhattan Project was not just about developing the atomic bomb, but about a much bigger secret: contact with extraterrestrial life. In this project, led by Albert Einstein, Robert Oppenheimer, and General Leslie Groves, the wreckage of a UFO secretly discovered in New Mexico in 1938 was analyzed. At the time, the world was at war and scientists were trying to explore the potential of alien technology. The aim was to develop a technology powerful enough to defeat the enemy. First contact. As part of the project, an unexpected event occurred during experiments on an alien life form in one of the secret facilities. The alien began to communicate telepathically with the scientists. "We are observers," he said. "We are watching your world and your development. You are playing with atomic power, and it will lead you down an irreversible path." Scientists at first dismissed the message, but Oppenheimer was left with a big question mark. If these beings came from outer space, what did they mean for humanity? How could this new knowledge change world politics? Oppenheimer thought of a solution that would use the aliens' knowledge to both end the war and take humanity's development to the next level. Convergence of the third kind. Years before the Roswell incident, the U.S. government had quietly investigated the UFO crash in New Mexico and made contact with aliens. This discovery was a turning point that accelerated the Manhattan Project's development of nuclear weapons. But this contact raised big questions not only about technology, but also about humanity and the secrets of the universe. One night, during a secret experiment at the Los Alamos laboratory, direct contact was made with aliens. These beings said that they could cooperate with humanity, but that atomic power, if left unchecked, would lead to a major catastrophe. "You are the new babies of the universe," they added. "But you are playing with fire. Secret alliance." Upon learning this information, Oppenheimer, Einstein, and a few other eminent scientists came together to devise a secret plan. If aliens could be cooperated with, humanity could make great progress without going to nuclear war. However, this information was a monopoly of only a few people and was kept secret even from the highest levels of government. Oppenheimer secretly used this information to develop the atomic bomb, but managed to limit its power. Designed to cause no great harm to humanity, the bomb was a trump card to end the war. But it was also, in a way, with the consent of the aliens. Disclosure. Years later, the details of the Manhattan Project were not made public, but with the onset of the Cold War, alien technology began to be used in different ways. In the 1960s, a secret space race between the U.S. and the Soviets began. However, only a few people knew that alien technology was behind this race. A journalist tried to uncover the secret years later by accessing secret documents. In an interview with a former Manhattan Project scientist, the truth slowly emerged. The man explained that the whole thing was a secret agreement with the aliens. In exchange for the technology, it was stipulated that the full power of the atomic bomb would not be used. However, world leaders had never revealed this secret. The fate of mankind was in other hands. When the journalist published this news, the world was in shock. The Manhattan Project was no longer just a nuclear weapons project, but evidence of cooperation with extraterrestrials.